All right, Foodie fam, welcome back. Man, let me tell you, we got some 7-Eleven. That's right, guys. 7-Eleven motherfucking pizza, yo. Look at this 7-Eleven pizza. They got a deal where you get 2 slices and a Coke, a 20-ounce Coke for $5. We got a Coke here and 2 big ass slices. They got the pepperoni and cheese. Look at this, yo. Bigger than ever. I remember these pizzas used to be small, but now they got the bigger slices. And let's get into it. He had to put it in the oven back there and bake it. These are this is fresh. Look at all the cheese. Oh my God, look at this pizza. Mmm. The 7-Eleven pizza's bomb, yo. It's been a minute since I have not had this for a while. But I wanted to taste it. The guy goes, "We got a deal going on. 2 big pizzas and a slice of two slices of pizza and a Coke for $5." So, all right. Hit me with your deal. He goes, "Are you a member or whatever?" I go, "Yeah, I put my phone number in the system." And he hooked it up with the pizza side. You got the jalapeno pizza, but I didn't want that one. "Oh, you got any pepperoni pizza?" I go, "Yeah, let me make it." Put it in the oven like for 5 minutes. Boom. I was amazed how they cooked. I was amazed that it cooked very fast. But we got another slice here. We got another pizza here. Man. I remember these are smaller slices. But I guess they got bigger. Got me a Coke. He said he'd give me a 20-ounce Coke, but I had to go to the back. He's like, "Don't go back there because the floor is wet. So go use the fountain drinks and get you a Coke." So I got me a Coke. Nice sunny day in Cali, fellas. Sunny day in Cali. This probably is my lunch. It's around 2 o'clock. Man, that Coke is bomb, y'all. Pizza's not too bad. If I'm gonna rate it, probably give it a 7.5. But if you want to get full real quick, you gotta rate it a 10. 2 big old slices of pizza and fill you up. I found out. I'm looking through my cameras right now. You know, I have cameras set up. This dog, there was a baby cat. One of the homeless cats that I take care of, the baby kid, he got 8. Damn dog, some stray dog, beat him, ate him. Can't believe it. The cat got caught sleeping, man. He hangs out in the back patio, but for some reason he was outside by the door. My camera picked it up. Some dog came by and bit him. He's done. He got caught slipping, man. Poor cat. Yeah, I have 2 baby kitties, and well, I actually have 9, but those 2 baby ones, and one was in the patio, the other one was outside, and he got 80, man. Sucks, but man. But this is this is what the pizza looks like. It's a pretty big. I think it's a pretty big slice. I wish I had some jalapenos in there. I had to get up, man. I got to get something to eat. I was hungry. So I went to a 7-Eleven where I live down the street. I don't know about you. In California, there's always 7-Elevens around every liquor store, every corner of the store. Every corner. Big gulp. Oh, man. But yeah, this pizza is not too bad. It's pretty good, yo. I left my jalapenos at work. I bought a can or a jar. The jalapenos I left them at work. I like eating jalapenos with anything I eat, a sandwich or something. But man, it sucks for that little cat. He had no chance. It was a big old brown dog. Big old dog. I caught it in my camera. I was like, damn. Sad part is that cat was small. The dog just took him away, probably bit him on the neck and dragged him away. I went out there to look for it, but couldn't find the dog or the cat. I know who it is. It's like a couple apartments that have a bunch of dogs. It's their dog, because I always see that brown dog. And they never put him on a leash either. He's always running around. But it's sad, man, because I see that little cat when they were a little small, when they were born back there, and got caught up, got slipping. You gotta be careful, man. You don't get caught up. This pizza's not too bad, yo. Not bad. Five. Coming up to $5.63 with tax. Something to put in your stomach, you know. I had to get up. I had to go to 7-Eleven, get some food, and ran out of toilet paper too, so got me a big ass bunch of toilet paper right here. Eating all this food makes you take all these crazy dumps. But hope you enjoy the video, and like I always say, stay hungry.